Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing some more Twice albums. I have these two. I have the yellow this is for, and then the green one. I'm on the hunt for another blue one, and then I'm done. Then I'll be just doing... Oh, there's dog hair everywhere. I'm so sorry. I have 3 dogs, and dog hair is insane. Anyway, I'm on a hunt for the blue one, and then, yeah, I'm done. Okay, so I'm gonna go through this one first. Also, like, they are all stunning. I did open this already. I just get too excited. I'm sorry. Here is the book. I will probably be selling the photo book, not for very much, just because I don't need... I'll probably be selling the whole album except for like the photo cards, unless I have duplicates. I can't remember if I have any duplicates. Oh, I like this. This is so cool. And I have such a hard time with their names. Like, I know the differences. Like, this is Geo. Like, I already knew that. Vacuuming the pavement. I think this is hilarious. I don't know why. Geo's the leader. And then Neon. I don't know which one she is. I don't know. I have such a hard time. I'm telling you. I'm new. I'm still like new to all of this. Also, that skirt. That is so cute. I love the phone case. I love that phone case. Look at that picture. Yeah. CD is in the back of the book. Ah. Why'd she have a glue gun? This is cute. Also, this is my brother-in-law's favorite group, and I think I'm gonna talk to my sister and see if next year she can do a cake for him. So I don't live close to them, but I think she should do a cake like this for him for his birthday. I think he would really like it. Let's go to this. This is everything that's in there. I was trying to put this together this morning, and I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. I think it's my hands. Let's see. I was also so afraid to bend it and, like, rip it. Oh my god, that's so cute. That is so cute. Ah, photo cards. I think that's right. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep it flat. And then a poster, which I already have this poster, and I have to hang it on my wall still. Okay, I don't know what keeps happening, but like I moved my camera and it stopped recording. I wanna say this is the lyrics. And then another, oh, I don't have this one. Okay, I'm gonna keep this. I don't have this one. And they all come with like, how many are there? 9 members, so OT9. But these aren't like the official photo cards. They're in every album. They are different depending on the album. More dog hair. Seriously. This is like a little Polaroid picture. I feel like I have this one. I don't know. I'll have to look in my binder. Ooh, I think I have this one too. Geo. I don't have this one yet. I love that. At least I don't think I have that one. Maybe I do. Who's this? Sana. Don't know how to say her name. Stunning though. Neon. I feel like I have this one too. Now on to this one. Here's the packet with the goods. But let's look at the book first. Or I'll just silently flip. Alright, CD is in the back. So another poster, which I think this poster comes in every single one. Not every single one, but every one of this version. So they have like a this version, is version, 4 version, and then the digipack. I like this. I don't think I have this on my wall yet. I don't. I have the one from the blue. All right, let's see who I have. Oh, I don't have this one either. Oh, the dog. Oh, this is Momo. Okay. I love the dog. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to set this aside because I want to put this on my wall. I am collecting those. And then the lyrics again. All right, let's see. Oh, the shopping cart. I feel like I have this one. And then again, the other cards. I don't know. This is the one that I have like 4 versions of. Okay, it's this one. It's not the other one. Sui. I don't have that one. Sana. Now I have 2 Sanas. Dayon? 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 Oh my gosh. I am so sorry. Neon. I know Neon. Okay, I don't know what just happened, but anyway, I'm going to go through these photo cards in a separate video because I know that this video is already going to be a little bit. And so I'm going to go through these and my Stray Kids. I'll probably put them in the same video. So thank you all so much for watching today's video, and I hope to see you very soon in my next one. Bye!